everybody, welcome to Iconic London's YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I transform myself into something that's sassy, glamorous, sexy, fairy. Yeah, I'm going to be using all the products from Iconic London because you don't need any other products to give you a gold shimmery gorgeous glossy look. So let's get into it. So for the eyeshadow, I basically want to fill in where it's blank and plain here, where I've done like a bit of a cut crease, and I'm going for like a gold kind of almost like a wet shimmery look for this makeup look. So I'm going to be taking the Iconic London Loose Pigment Palette, and this is in Original. I can't make my mind up whether I want to go for Golden Rose or Show Copper. I think I'm going to go for the more paler shade. So a little trick that I like to do is to apply the Prep Setting Glow Spray onto a little makeup brush, and then when I dip this into the pigment, it sticks onto the eye. Then for the inner corner, I'm just taking the shade Sugar. Going to dust this right in the inner corner to really highlight this section. So the next product that I'm going to use is this. This is actually my favourite product from Iconic London. I don't know what I would do without it. And these are the Illuminated Drops, and I'm using the shade Original, which I'll swatch on the back of my hand for you to see. But this is just going to make us look super glowy. And I'm going to apply this to the highest point, and mine is just here. Look at that glow. Honestly, you cannot complete a look without this illuminator. And the tip of my nose and then down the bridge also, just to kind of give me like a cute buttony nose. And a lot of Disney fairies that I know of have like cute button noses. Another trick I like to do is just to pop it on the side of my chin here, and then it catches the light just on this side. Look how glowy I am. And then just to give my cheeks an extra glow, I love going in with the Iconic sheer blush. I'm using the shade Rose Riot, and I just apply it to like the apples of my cheeks, and then I go up onto the cheekbone. The first thing to fade is always blush, so I always put on a little bit more than you need because it will fade down a little bit. So to finish off my lips, I'm going to be taking the Plumping Lip Gloss, which is also one of my favourites. I feel like today I'm just using all my favourite products. And I'm just going to take the shade Nearly Nude, and I'm going to pop this on. Absolutely love this formula of lip gloss because it's like not sticky. It smells amazing. It's got like that minty fresh smell, and then it also gives you like a minty fresh feeling on the lips as well. I can feel it tingling and working its magic. So then now I'm going to go on to the chest area. So I'm going to zoom you out just a little bit. I have got a top on because I really wanted like a shimmery décolletage area. So I'm going to make that happen by using the luminous powder in the shade Original and my big brush. I'm just going to swirl this around and start applying it to my chest, shoulders. You can use this brush to apply just like a really generous amount. Then I'm taking my Prep Set and Glow Spray, shake it up, watch the magic happen, and then spray it all on. Look at that glow. I'm going to put some extra on my face. Can we just take a minute to appreciate the glow? I'm going to be taking this beautiful crown, and I'm just going to slot it in my hair. I'm going to give myself one extra spray. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video. I hope you did enjoy. Please leave me some comments in the comment section below and subscribe to Iconic London's YouTube channel. Until next time, hopefully I'll see you very soon.